10 things that make you a perfect girlfriend. Number 1, you are supportive. Men are naturally confident, but they say that behind every great man there is woman for a reason. Your support or lack of such can make all the difference. You are not only one on his side, but you can also give him a fair amount of criticism wherever it's needed. Number 2, you give him space. Space is just as important for him as it is for you. As a couple, you may share a lot, but it is still impossible to share everything. He has his own hobbies or interests that you are not particularly fond of. So what you do is let him enjoy his own time. You know what you want. It's important to be able to compromise from time to time, but it is even more important to know yourself, your needs and desires. This way you will never do anything that makes you unhappy just because you thought that it would please him or make your relationship better. Number 4, you are genuine. There comes a point in the relationship when you wake up together and kiss without brushing your teeth. All these things make the two of you grow closer to each other because you are genuine and not trying to hide your true feelings or imperfections. Number 5, you speak out. Whether it's something you don't like or a compliment to your boyfriend, you are not afraid to speak your mind. You know perfectly well your boyfriend can't read thoughts and don't accept him to guess where you want to go out of this evening or that you are feeling exhausted after a day at work. You tell him whatever you feel is right. Number 6, you are independent. Being in a relationship does not mean you don't have a life of your own. You are two different people, so naturally you have friends of your own, your preferences, and your own me time that you want to spend alone. At this point, it's just a matter of whether it will be as much fun doing it without him. Number 7, you are not afraid to be vulnerable. Modern society kind of demands women to be strong, but in the end of the day, what you really want is to be you. Show that you care and sometimes afraid or sad or happy or emotional for no apparent reason. You know that being feminine is not always about wearing heels and dresses. It's about showing your softer side too, and the appreciates that a lot. Number 8, you ask for his opinion. You value his opinion and ask him about various things, starting from gadgets and ending with latest fashion trends. He may not know a lot about them, but you trust in his taste and aesthetics so much that you can even go shopping for clothes together. Whether he will be happy about that or not is entirely different matter though. Number 9, you are grateful. Whether it's a small gesture like making you a morning cup of coffee or a bigger one like taking you on a spontaneous journey, you don't take these things for granted. You value his efforts and are not afraid to get vocal about it, saying thank you. He has never done any harm to relationships. Number 10, you make him laugh. You know how to have fun and more often than not make him laugh, intentionally or intentionally. You are not too serious about yourself, and your easygoing nature makes your relationships lighter and more pleasant. Here, he is also more laid back because he knows you can turn any fail into a joke that you both will be remembering fondly afterward. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.